If it's your first time installing any sort of bicycle tire, a couple things to look out for. One is direction. So which way is the tread going? This is going to be the direction you want your tire to roll. And typically you can find that on the sidewall of the tire. For example, on this one, it's right here. So just make sure you're installing it the right way. If you want to be like pro, you want to take your label or your, not label, having a brain fart here. It's called a logo. That's the word I was looking for, logo. So if you want to be like the pros, you want to put your valve stem with the logo so that this way the valve stem's easier to find. Anyway, another thing to look out for when you're putting on a tire is your PSI. And they also have that information right on the sidewall. So for example, this one is max inflation, 50 PSI. So if you're ever in doubt, check the sidewall, that'll help you out. All right, so now that we have the tube halfway in there, I like to put a little bit of air in here. And you want to do this so when you go to inflate it and you put the rest of the tire on, you don't have a pinch flat. So it doesn't need to be completely inflated, just enough to where you can sit here, get a little bit of air in there. And now we can just pop this bad boy on here. Good to go. And we can finish off quickly. Let's see, things. And then as you're going around, try to make sure that you don't pinch the tube with the edge of the tire and the sidewall. So, or else you'll be fixing the flat again. I think. One last thing. When you're putting your tire on, want to make sure the bead is popped out all the way as well. So when you sit here and you go to spin your tire, if you get a big wobble and it's sort of like this, then your bead here is probably stuck. So I'll save that for another video. I'll show you a trick how to get that out. But anyway, as for right now, we're looking good.